Okay, so now looking at your budget, what current monthly payments are you making on that 2015 F-150?
It's about $400 a month.
400. Wow, how'd you get it so low?
I don't know.
Well, the only reason why I say it's low is because the average car payment is right around $700. So I just thought it was a little lower. But let me ask you, how much more were you planning on going up per month for the newer vehicle?
Probably about 450 maybe.
Up to
Probably 475.
475.
Yeah.
Okay. If you really had to stretch,
maybe 500.
well, here's the reason why I ask is I just want to be able to show you as much vehicles as I can for your budget. So let me ask you this: if we found a car out there or a truck out there that you really liked, I mean, knock your socks off, it was like the perfect vehicle, would it be totally out of the question for you to roll out of here with a $600 payment?
No, I don't see why not.
Okay, let me show you some vehicles. I'm probably a little ahead of myself. It's probably hard for you to say what you wouldn't do until we pick something out.